Hello students, today we will see nature and scope of foreign trade. Foreign trade means the trade which goes beyond the borders of a country. That means a foreign country or maybe a buyer or seller is involved in the trade. Then it is called a foreign trade. Foreign trade are of two kinds. One is import trade, in which trader based in domestic country another country. So for the country in which the buyer is located, for that country it will be import trade. At the same time, the seller at the other end will be having export trade because he is selling the goods beyond his country's boundary. And third one is interport trade, which means that for mere selling the goods is bought from other country. That means goods brought is supplied to other country, and this was already known. So let's see what are the features of international trade. First thing is territorial specialization. International trade only happens when the buying or selling activity goes beyond the boundaries of a country. Second thing is, in international trade, the competition is international. Firms from different countries are competing for the same buyer. Third thing is separation of sellers from buyers. The seller is in separate country and buyer is in different country. Fourth thing is there is a long chain of middlemen, since contacting directly the buyer or seller is not possible in another country most of the times. And mutually acceptable currency, the terms of buying and selling is pre-decided, and which currency will be the medium of transaction is already decided. International rules and regulations are applicable. Government control exists because government has a check on which things are imported or exported, since they have different types of taxes for all the commodities. And documentation is very long and it is required, it is a must for the international trade. Next points we will see in our commerce class. Thank you.